Welcome back, investors, to Ticker Time News. I'm Adam, and today we're talking about Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. We need to figure out, where is Tesla going to stop falling? Where is support going to come in for Tesla? I have a few ideas on where support may come in. I have it marked out here on the chart for you. But real quick, just to get caught up on what's going on. Today, Tesla was down another 4.8% to $653.20. And after hours, it's down another 0.34% to $651. Now, since February the 8th, Tesla has been falling. And since Tesla's all-time high of $900.40 set on the 25th of January, Tesla has lost 27% of its value. Now, is it going to continue to fall, or is 650 support? We're going to get into that. But first, real quick, I just want to mention something that Cathie Wood said today about two things: Tesla and Bitcoin. First off, she is not worried one bit about Tesla. She is still on the bull side of Tesla and sees Tesla owning the decade. Cathie Wood said that Tesla is up nearly 345% in the last 12 months, despite the 27% pullback. Cathie Wood of ARK Invest said, quote, "Our conviction in its autonomous strategy has increased," end quote. That is what Cathie Wood of ARK Invest is betting on, the autonomous portion of what Tesla can do with that. Now, the second thing is about Bitcoin. And the only reason I want to bring up what she said about Bitcoin is because Tesla bought or transferred cash, 1.5 billion worth, into Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is now kind of linked to Tesla in a small way, but still it's important. So Cathie Wood said she expects the price of Bitcoin will keep rising as more U.S. companies diversify cash holdings and add the cryptocurrency to their balance sheet. Tesla, for instance, said on February the 8th it had purchased 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, while Square said on February 23rd it had added $170 million to its Bitcoin position in the fourth quarter alone. And here's the big kicker: should other US companies follow suit, which Tesla has opened the door and shown the way for companies to transfer their cash asset to a Bitcoin asset, the price of Bitcoin could increase by $40,000 to $400,000. Bitcoin today holding strong between 50 and 51,000. You add $40,000 to that and you're at $90,000. And you go the extreme bull side and you add $400,000 to it and you're at $450,000. That is big. Now, here's how Cathie Wood and ARK Invest and her research team for cryptocurrency came to these prices: 40,000 and 400,000. If every company in the S&P 500 took 1% of their cash and transferred that into Bitcoin, Bitcoin's price would rise by $40,000. Now, to get the 400,000 number, that's the same scenario, all the companies in the S&P 500, but they put 10% of their cash into Bitcoin, and that would raise Bitcoin's price by $400,000. That's probably not going to happen, but it has opened the door, seeing Tesla, Square, PayPal, MicroStrategies all transferring, and their value proposition is Bitcoin is a long-term appreciating potential asset, and cash is a stable but depreciating asset. And the proof to that is Tesla's $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin has made $1 billion for them in that investment. Okay, let's jump back into the chart here and find out where there is support for Tesla. Now, last week on or around the 25th of February, 26th of February, Cathie Wood came out and made a comment about Tesla. Her coming out and doing that actually stopped Tesla from falling. And Tesla actually rebound a little bit on the 26th of February. And then again on the 1st of March, because on Monday and Tuesday, Cathie Wood purchased 250,000 shares in Tesla on Monday and then again on Tuesday. So just those 2 days alone, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest, their main innovation fund, bought 500,000 shares in Tesla. Not $500,000, 500,000 shares. That is why Tesla's bounce on the 1st of March and the 2nd of March occurred. Then, after Tesla made that bounce, and a lot of that had to do with Cathie Wood and ARK Invest, she made the rounds on TV, they bought a bunch of shares, Tesla bounced, but now Tesla has come back down. What's going to stop it this time? Is Cathie Wood gonna come out tomorrow or the next day and make the rounds on TV and buy a bunch of shares and have it bounce again? What's actually going to stop it? Where's support? So right now, Tesla had support around $660. And the only reason that support exists is because of that bounce I just talked about. So what are we looking for? In this green box right here on the right side of your screen, this is what we need to fill in. Is the stock going to continue in this trading channel, this descending channel here, all the way down to fill in this green box? Or could it reverse at some point? So here's the price point. Number one, we have support right here at $625. And I pointed that out with the big volume right here. A lot of buyers stepping in at $625. So that could very well be where Tesla stops. If it breaks through that, then we're going down to the $600 level. Tesla has a lot of support all the way back here at $600 level. So October, November is when it really started. December, a lot of buying, and that was around the $600 level. Now, if it breaks through that, then we're going down, all the way down to $565. Now, there's a lot of support for that, and that was back in August of last year is where we had the support at $565. Now, if it falls below $565, well, then we're going down to $500. So we'll have to see if it's going to go that far. As far as when is a good time to purchase, 625 is where I would set my alerts for, because there's all of that buying locked up right here. And you can see it in the green candle, a lot of volume. I would set my alert for that price. I hope you found value in this video. I know I did going through it with you. Make sure to smash the like button, click subscribe, and join our family of investors. I'll see you in the next video.